Hi everybody, this is Miss Judy. I have a friend with me today. His name is Liam. Liam the Lion. Hi everybody. Liam, today we are going to count. Would you like to count with me? Yes, Miss Judy. Yes, Miss Judy. I like to count. Okay, Liam, calm down. We are going to have super duper fun counting today. Are you ready, Liam? Yes, I am. Okay, Liam, let's count. Come along with us, boys and girls. Let's see what we have in our container today that we can count. We have some items that we are going to count. Some nice, bright, colorful items. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 items in my basket. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 items. I think I have some more items. Liam, would you like to count some more items? Yes, Miss Judy, I would love to count. Okay, Liam, are you ready? Let's see what we got. Let's see all together how many items we have. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All together we have 15 items. That's a lot of things to count, Liam. Yes, Miss Judy, that's a lot of things to count. I had fun today, Miss Judy. Okay, I'm glad you did have some fun. So, boys and girls, let's see what you can do at home. You can go around and see how many items you can count. And please take a picture and send it to Miss Judy. Bye-bye. See you later.